Back to class, baby, back to class.
Alpha, Euro trader, 100 lots on a candle. Too much money to be carrying, too much money to be grabbed.
Last week literally moved. Like I said I expected a lot of bearish movement on EURAUD, and take a look at it. It dipped. 3 entries: first dipped, second dipped, third dipped. Glad I got out of this one very early anyway. This one, I think we banked about 60 pips on this, right? Over 60 pips actually. And then I caught this one for about 34 pips with 11 pips risk. Quite amazing as well. But then I didn't catch this move to the upside because it happened on Friday, and everybody knows I do not enjoy trading on Fridays. Even this move I caught on Thursday, it was more like I needed to do something, right? I just saw the opportunity and I knew from the onset that I was going to scalp it, right? So that's why I took that trade. And basically the major trades I took this week were this one and this one. Hopefully this week is going to be better. But then I have to warn you guys ahead. This week is packed with a whole lot of news. We have FOMC on Wednesday. We have the rate statement. We have ECB, I believe, on Thursday. We have BOJ probably on Friday. And it's just a lot of crazy news on EUROAUD, the weekly time frame, right? I can see this line over here very quick. This was the first thing I spotted, and I'm very much interested to see how price will react to that level. And to an extent, I think that we may see price trade that high this week based on, look at this. Let me zoom in and show you guys why. Look at this big candle, massive engulfing back to the upper side, and look at this rejection candle, right? And then last week closed quite bullish after giving us those great sales anyway. But then he closed bullish as well and pretty much closed above the previous highs. Can you guys see it? Right?
Yeah.
So let me delete that one moment and zoom in. You see, kind of like closed above the previous highs that price has been unable to go above lately. So it's basically telling you, yo, bulls are back in the market, so obviously you want to play accordingly and not try to tell the market what to do. Let's see, over here I see some support resistance area. Okay, let's see, what else do we have here? In a situation where, let's say, market tanks, where would it head to? I see this place as a possible area, and I'm pretty much done with that on on the weekly. I do not really want too much. I don't want too much on my chart this week. I think that my chart has been getting way too busy lately, and it's stopping me from seeing as much as I should. I think that there's a bit of price action going on around here, but I'll leave that for the daily to decide. Let's see what we have there. All right, so on the daily time frame, we can see how Friday closed very bullish, right? Let me point it out to you guys, but it was not totally engulfing. However, if there's one thing to note, is the fact that there is almost no wick on this candle. Can you see it? So obviously you don't want to mess around with that. So for people who don't understand why I picked that area, I'm sorry. Like I said, you guys tell me how you want me to pick the winners for the giveaway. So it probably your lucky chance to learn how I pick these levels and why I'm looking at how I pick my levels of interest, like my area of interest, basically. This particular area.
I'd like to see that area of interest at a lower time frame.
Yeah, it's probably going to be very meaningful. So back to what I was saying, guys, we crossed 100 subscribers already on YouTube, and like I promised that once we cross 100 subscribers, I'm going to give back to the community. And how I want to do that is to pick, I think I said 5 people in the last video, can't even remember now. If I said otherwise, let me know in the comment section. But I'm going to pick 5 people from the YouTube community, and they're going to have a private sessions with me. I'm going to teach you as much as I can, share with you from my wealth of knowledge and experience, and help you become better traders. So you guys let me know in the comment section how you want me to pick these winners, the methods you want me to use. If you want me to do it on Telegram or on YouTube, just let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to. Hit the like button as well. Tell me what you see on this particular chart right now, and if you're bullish or bearish on this chart, let me know. All that being said, let's get back to work. All right, so on the daily, right, this is what I think I'll be expecting. I want to see price tap into my area of interest over here. right? Like I mentioned from the onstart, I'm quite bullish on Euro AUD this week, right? So I want to see price tap into my area of interest over here, some pullback towards this level, and then I can go for longs at the rejection. Obviously not on the daily time frame. On the lower time frame, between 1 hour to 15 minutes is where I like to pick my entries and my stop loss. I prefer to pick them between 15 minutes to 5 minutes, and in very rare occasions on the 1 hour time frame. So obviously I want to see some rejection of this level of my area of interest here, and then I want to take that buy from there with my stop loss picked. I want to take some profit over here and I'm going to hold for longer if let's say the momentum carries me towards this area, which seems very far-fetched right now based on how price has been moving lately, about 300 pips. I mean, considering recent price movements, seems quite far-fetched, but it's not impossible. Anything can happen, but if that doesn't happen, I'm very much okay with taking profits between here, about 45 pips, not a lot, and some more profits around here. The highest price point for last week, which is about 102 pips, not bad as well. And let's see where else can price move to in a, oh, this is precise. I mean, it's just amazing right there. I did not even see that before. Daily. So if price, let's say, was to surge past this area, where next would it face resistance or challenges? I think over here it's going to have some issues over here, so I'm going to mark that out as well. And I think that's pretty much it on the daily. Now, in a situation where we do not see price, let's say, move bullish this week, the next likely thing for price to do is to bearish, right? Price is either bullish or bearish, and as a trader, you want to be prepared for both ways. If price is bullish, you want to have your trading plan for it. If price is bearish, you want to have your plan for it. So why would I sell, or where would I be looking to sell? For this particular currency pair, I'll be looking to sell below my area of interest over here. Obviously not for long. I am taking my profit right here. The major sell for me would be when price breaks below this weekly level, totally engulfing this previous bullish candlestick over here. Then yes, I will have more confidence to sell majorly around here towards this level over here. But until price does that, I'm still very much bullish on this particular pair. Even as at this area, to be fair, I would still be looking to buy. Why? This candlestick over here, and like I said, changing sentiments. If you do not understand that, I'm sorry. Let me know in the comment section. I probably will make a video about it. If I get enough requests, I'll make a video about it. Maybe basic, but I'll do something meaningful enough to help you guys understand what I mean when I say sentiment, and of course to help you become better traders, which is why I started the YouTube channel in the first place. And yeah, that being said, let's drop down to the 4 hour time frame. All right, so on the 4 hour time frame, Will, you mentioned you wanted to see what that level would look like on the lower time frame, and this is it over here. As you can see, it remains quite valid. Acted as resistance here, acted as support here, acted as support over here as well. So yeah, valid. And like I mentioned, if there's something that I think is worthy of being noted, is look at this, right? Low, high, low, probably going to create an high over here. Note, I said probably, not most definitely. And yeah, I wanted to mention something. Yes, I got a DM from somebody from the YouTube saying they passed props with my analysis, and it blew my mind. He passed not just one, but 2 different prop challenges with different prop firms. He passed phase 1, phase 2 for both prop firms using all my analysis from, I think, earlier in the year up to this moment, and it's funded, if I remember correctly, about 100k. And I'm like, yo, that's wild. So that's really, it makes me glad to see that my videos are helping you people, and it's what keeps me going in the first place. It's what keeps me going. So yes, like this video so we can reach more people. Subscribe if you're yet to. I mean, why are you yet to subscribe? And leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys wants to see, let me know what troubles you're experiencing so that I can begin to touch down on them and make more videos to explain to you guys. And let's make some money, right? Let's make money. Now, talking about making money, like I explained on the daily time frame, I am more interested to see how price reacts over here, and then I want to take a buy of the rejection of this area of interest, right, towards this level first to take my first profits, and towards this level as well. And maybe I don't want to say ultimately towards this level, because I mean price can decide to be very crazy this week. It's a very volatile week based on the economic calendar. We have ECB, we have FOMC, we have BOJ, so many news coming out this week. So it can happen, but ultimately, I don't say ultimately, but but I'm really really interested to see how price will move towards this area, which honestly about 170 plus pips, kind of like good with that for the week. And if it does move towards this weekly level, we would see about over 200 pips. Let's see how many would that be. Ooh, about 300 pips. That would be nice. Yeah, so this is the first level that I'm noticing. As you can see, price reacted towards this area, acted as resistance for a while. I'm going to mark that out very quickly. I see this level, right? If price is going to be bearish, going to head towards that level next. I'm trying to keep this very simple, straightforward, and detailed at the same time. So first thing the things I'm going to be paying more attention to on this particular video will be price action and structures, right? The trends obviously is bullish, so I'm going to be paying a lot more attention to price action, structures, and a hint of sentiment and fundamentals here and there. But like I said, a hint because obviously I don't want to confuse you guys. Just me and my boys here, they understand what I'm saying. If I start yabbing all about sentiment and fundamentals, they get what I mean. But for you guys, I'm uncertain if you understand that, so I'll keep it very, very basic and straightforward. All right. So on the weekly level, we have these very two key levels right over here at 1.74920 and 1.82350 approximately. So if price is going to do anything at all, it's going to be between here and here, and if it's going to exit this area, it's going to be outside of here. And if price, let's say, is to break outside of that area, where would it head to next? I want to find that out. I think it's going to be right here first. Seem quite more reasonable to me. And why did I pick that area? It's simply because of how price acted right here. How we sent price down, sent price tumbling at this particular price point. That's why I'm interested in that area. And that's pretty much, no, that's not it. Let's see, I think we have, if price, let's see, was to retrace on the weekly level, where would it be? Where would it want to move to? I see between here and here. I think here is more likely compared to here. And why I think that is because considering the strength and the strength of this particular candle, it will take a whole lot more for the bears to be able to push price all the way back to this level. At most, we may see price, touch this particular candle to.
That it could, even though that candle was pretty stiff. Like, I suppose, yeah. I'll be interested to see how that does move on Monday.
Yeah, I'm very much interested. So, my main area of interest right now is that level that I just drew, the weekly level. I said my main area of interest would be over here, and I really do not want to see price move towards this price range, but who am I to tell the market what to do anyway? So if price does move, let's say back towards this level, I'll still be interested to take buys around this level. But below this level, I'm now considering taking sales, because below this level is way below, like I don't know, if price start trading below these levels, I want to look for sales. I mean, there's about 270 plus pips move towards the downside. But obviously, to be frank, I don't see that happening this week based off how crazy this candle is. And I said I wasn't going to mention, but I did say that a hint of sentiment and fundamentals. So based on those reasons, I think, especially because we have ECB this week, I do not really see price jumping towards this level, except that ECB comes out like dovish, then yes, we may see some decline in the strength of the euro. All right, so on EURNZD, I noticed something is catching my eye and I want to point it out. It's built of this double bottom over here, right? Not a perfect double bottom, but if you see or if you notice how price kind of like formed this double bottom, right? And then this neckline, and when price eventually broke above it, came back to retest the neckline and then kept on pushing, which to me further confirms the fact that we probably would not see price trade all the way down to this level before continuing up. So my main area of interest remains this here, this right here, this weekly level right here. So I want to see price trade towards this area first, and then I want to take the rejection towards this level, and then this level. This level, I am not really sure. I'm quite skeptical about it. So let's see. How many pips movement would that be? First pip move, oh come on, 150 plus pips, and second three, oh boy. Towards here, let's see. Let's excite Rowan a bit. He loves big moves like that.
Oh, don't excite him too much. You'll be in your DMs like more than your mum and your girlfriend.
So over about 550 plus pips towards this area.
Alpha, we love you.
I love you guys too. All right, so on the daily, I want to see a price come back to retest this area before going in for a buy. I do not really feel comfortable buying above this price point because it's like going to be like buying at a premium. So I really do want to see price come back to retest this level, or at least half of this candle, if not totally this candle. So on the daily, there's this area on the daily, this kind of like this little thing going on, probably going to make more sense on the 4 hour time frame or 1 hour. So if this level doesn't get taken out, excuse me, so this level is likely going to make more sense on the 4 hour time frame, like I mentioned. So if price does not at least get to this level, we may see this level happen. Let me drop straight to the 4 hour time frame and see if that makes sense. So you guys, would you notice something, right? How the fib is sitting exactly on the weekly level, which means kind of like more likely than not that we may see price come back to retest this level, and we'll be so ready to take those buys. I am very much interested in taking buys around this level, obviously after price action, not before price action. And I am more than satisfied to take my profits at 300 pips for the week. It's not the only pay I'm going to be trading for the week, so there's no point trying to make it pay for everything. And my stop loss will be determined after price trades up to this level. So, and again, I pick my stop losses on the lower time frame, not on the 4 hour time frame. 1 hour on like very rare situations, mostly between below 1 hour, 15 to 5 minutes thereabout, is where I prefer to take my stop losses. After price action has told me what it wants to do, that's when I pick my entries, stop loss, and exit. But overall direction for EURNZD would be to take profit around here. First, take profit here around 1.79856 and 1.80790, and then around here close to 1.2500, 82500, yeah. So if at all I'm going to be taking sales on EURNZD, it's definitely going to be below this weekly level, and it's not going to be a trade I want to hold for too long. Around here, I'm very okay with taking profits around 131 pips. Why am I okay with that? Because trend is bullish, price action is bullish, structure is bullish, sentiment is indicating the bullish movements, fundamentals indicating bullish movements as well. So I'm not very keen on taking sales on EURNZD for now. And that's pretty much it on EURNZD. If this video has been helpful, let me know in the comment section. Hit the like button, subscribe if you are yet to. Come on, subscribe. What are you waiting for? If you have watched this far, it is definitely because you enjoyed the video, you have found it informative and useful. So hit that subscribe button. I mean, man's too big to be at 100 subs. What do you mean, fam? Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do you think this is going to be bullish? Do you think it's going to be bearish? Do you think what I've said so far is bullshit? Let me know. Come on. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know your opinions in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.